Hi everybody, it's Maxim from Attitude. Today we're going to talk about our range of Attitude Nature Plus Technology laundry detergents. Our products are ECOLOGO Certified to ensure they're made under the best manufacturing practices. Plus, they're PETA Certified, which means they're never tested on animals or contain animal-derived ingredients. Our packaging is made with HDPE, which is the most commonly recycled plastic. You can now wash your clothes with total peace of mind. They're available in 5 different formats, 35 loads, 40 loads, and 80 loads, and also in our EcoBox formats for 80 and 160 loads, which help reduce plastic by more than 80%. We also provide 2 different formulas, a standard one and a concentrated formula for that extra cleansing power. And they come in a few subtle but very soothing aromas like wildflowers, summer berries, lavender, and citrus zest, and also in an unscented option that's designed for people with skin or fragrance sensitivities. Our formulas are biodegradable and free of irritating enzymes or dyes, so they are as gentle on your skin as they are on your clothes. They contain only plant and mineral-based ingredients like green tea extract to wash your clothes without stripping away at the fabric or leaving a residue. Simply use the equivalent of a cat bottle for every load and put it in your dispenser. Select the load you want and that's it. Let the detergent do the heavy duty for you. A few little washing tips and tricks to keep your clothes looking their best. Try to separate loads, whites and colors, to prevent discoloration. For dark fabrics, to keep their color for longer, wash them inside out in cold water. Use the delicate cycle for fine fabrics, knits, and undergarments. For the delicate cycle, always set the water to the highest level. It's better to have your clothes floating in the water to protect them from damage. Our laundry detergents are compatible with any washing machines and washing cycles, and are ideal in cold water. They will clean your clothes gently without harming your skin or the environment. Give this product a try and let us know what you thought. We'd love to have your feedback. Thank you and see you next time.